Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video is going to be another exporting video where I'm going to be making a script and I'll be showing you guys how to make a script that auto-completes an obby for you. Now you might be saying, okay, how are you going to achieve that when you're literally having nothing and you don't know anything about the game? Well, for starters, you will be correct. I have no knowledge about this game, and that's because I don't have the source code. But, however, I do have a brain, and I'm going to be using that to my advantage. There's also other helpful tools out there like AI, but although I don't think AI will help you promoting this stuff, considering they're going to say it's because there's cheating, and cheating usually, it just provides unfair advantages to players. But where's the unfair advantage in this game? What unfair advantage can you get in an obby? You can't really ruin someone else's gameplay experience if it's just an obby. Like, what can you do? You're only progressing for yourself. You can't really kill them or anything, unless maybe you get some sort of gear that lets you fling them. Okay, but we're not doing that. I'm just gonna make a simple script where it allows you to progress through the game much quicker. So if you're too lazy, like me for example in this scenario, well, I'm not usually lazy, but if you're like a lazy kind of player that just wants to get the game over and flex off those badges and stuff, you've come to the right video. So anyways, enough talking, let's get right to it. So the first step, we gotta locate where the spawn location is. Now one way to do this is to use part select. Now because this dex absolutely sucks and it literally errors even right on clicking, like look at this. If I'm clicking on it, literally where? Nothing, not there. So what I'm instead gonna use is I'm gonna use print get mouse target, and I'm gonna print the full name. I'm gonna print it out, so I'm gonna give myself a second. Move around there, hit F9, scroll down, there's our path. So workspace and the lowercase stages and 1, there it is. And just to prove to you that this is it, I'm gonna change the color on it. Let's change it green. There we go, there's our stage. So we indeed got the correct one. Now you see a stage 2. Now I think you're gonna see where this is going. So if I do teleport 2, it teleports me on the stage. If I say teleport to this one, because 1, 2, if you counted 1s and 2s and 3s, you will know that if I teleport here, I am now on stage 2. And in fact, I got 5 points. Wait, what? Was it 5 points? Wait, was it 5 points? Wait, I don't know what just happened, but I just gained, as you can see, I gained stats. Now, we're going to automate this. And you might be wondering how. Now, one way you could do this is you could simply do a for loop script that goes from the entire loop, but that would take time, and that's really inefficient. So a better way to fix this is to compare these numbers with your stage value. And now what do I mean by that? Well, take this. Let's define the stages, workspace dot stages. Sorry, lowercase stages. Now we're gonna get our player, game.players.local player. Now, how do we get our stages? Now, sorry, it should be local player. There we go. Local stage value. Local player leader stats. Because if you don't know, inside your, because how developers make this board, they have to make a folder that's called where is it? Leader stats. There it is. There's a leader stats folder, as you can see. And what this leader stats folder does is it simply creates a Roblox board that can be displayed by pressing the tab key on your keyboard, or opening the leaderboard button from the top right button if you're on mobile. AKA sucks, because Roblox is meant for PC. Enough of that. Sorry, that was no offense. No offense to mobile. I love mobile players. No offense to them. But Roblox is originally meant for PC. And also, I'm not a big fan of mobile gaming, so on Roblox only. On Roblox. But yeah, enough of that. So you see we got a stage. You know it says 2. If we change it to like 20. 20? Okay, I can't change it. Because apparently Dex does not let me. Which is very, very absurd. Considering this is meant to be a local-sided change. But Dex does not work. Now, this Dex is really outdated. I got this from the We Are Devs platform, which is just a website. That's not to promote. That isn't to promote them. That's just to tell you where I've got this source from, if you were curious. Leader stats. So I'm gonna now do this. Value equals 20. Value 20. What the? Oh, there you go. You can see. If I refresh it, now it says 20. Now this indeed proves that this is working. Now you see how that thing changed visually. Now because these changes do not replicate to the server, I can't just simply set my stage to 2000. That, my friend, is not how you do it. That is what you call being an absolutely dumbass and not knowing what you're doing. This is not how filtering enabled works. Filtering enabled will always kick you down. That is not what you want to do. That is what you could do back in 2014 and stuff. But this is 2024. You cannot do that anymore. That was in the old days. You were able to do this. But now this code is no. We need to delete that code. So now what do we do? What should we do instead? So, for one, what we can actually do is we can actually, well, do a for loop 1 to 20. We're going to do 20 stages. We're going to do 20 times. And what we can simply say is if alright, next stage, we're gonna say nil. You'll see I'm doing calculations, just give me a second to write it down. And then we have, oh no, we're gonna do equals yeah, stages, find first child, stage value dot value, and we're gonna simply add a +1 if next stage not nil, then we're gonna say game.players.localplayer.character.humanoid root part cframe equals, okay, I don't know why that's glowing up. That might be the compiler that's lighting up like that. Next stage dot cframe plus, actually no, yeah, dot cframe, no, actually yeah, I'll do that. Cframe plus vector3.new. I'm gonna do 0, do that by 2, and do that by 0. Alright. Now I'm gonna make this wait. I'm gonna use the classic wait because you want to give it time, obviously, because you know you have ping and stuff. Ping time. But for this demonstration, I'll do task.wait because it's a lot more efficient. So I'm gonna copy all of this. I'll paste this into here so you can see a lot better. I'm gonna minimize this down. Now once I hit execute, boom, 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 boom. As you can see, I've progressed really, really fast. Now it's not gonna exactly add up 20 due to ping time and stuff, but we can optimize it. Now there's a way to make this quicker. And no, it's not by spamming it. It is definitely not by spamming it. But look how fast we're going. Look at all these achievements we're getting already. Look at this. Now you could spam this and simply go really fast. But I got an even quicker way. And that's to do with going ahead of time, predicting. We're going to use a bit of prediction. Now, one way you could do this is simply to add up your stage client-sided. This can work, but it can also lead to some negatives as well. Now, to do this, what you could do is take this number, and just at the very end of the teleport, we're going to say plus equals 1. But now, I do not know if this compiler does support the newer version of Lua. So I'm going to say equals stage.value plus 1. Just to play it safe, this is the older way of typing this in Lua. This is how you add variables in the older version of Lua. The newer version, like Python for example, you could do plus equals stuff. But in the older code, you'd type it like this. And that's what most compilers support really. They support the older version. So I don't know if I do not know if they'll support the newer one. So I'm just gonna play it safe and do this. Now let's see how I was rerun it. Oh wow, much quicker. You could see the sounds. If I put the volume up a little bit, and I just run that again, let's do like 150. Wow, much quicker. You can see this is a lot quicker. This is way quicker. This is gonna last 15 seconds because 150 divided by 0.1. No, times 0.1. 150 times 0.1 is just 15 seconds. So, if I do 0.5, that should be 7.5 seconds. Let's try that. Oh! Now, you might have noticed it's gonna error. And the reason why it errored is because there's no other checkpoints to go on. You can't find a checkpoint. So it's gonna stop. So let's go ahead. So we don't have to do this obby. And just prove that you're not gonna touch a checkpoint. And boom. Now I have no idea if this is gonna work. This could be a client-sided. This is possible. It's a client-sided. I don't think 0.5 is the best option. But I can maybe do 0.8. Let's try that. Okay, yeah, this number is definitely a lot better. So you see if it does go ahead, it can, yeah, you see it does go a bit behind. What happens if I run it again? Oh. Now sometimes it can get a bit ahead. This is one of the downsides if we do a client-sided one. So if I reset. Oh, I'm right here. I don't know why the arrow's there. I think I went that fast, it glitched out. It's just really funny, considering that this is a big game. Well, not really a big game, but it's pretty funny how it does that. But you can see we're already on stage 300. And it's been like about a couple of seconds, really. And we're already like 12% of the way through. So enough talking, let's go ahead and just absolutely demolish the game. Let's do like 2000. Let's do like 8. Let's do like 3 minutes, and we're gonna do like 0.9. So if we multiply that time, if I do print 1800 times 0.09, I just say execute. It's gonna start running at the same time. If we check the console, it'll say it's gonna take 162 seconds. So if we wait that long, and look how our points as well go up at the same time. Oh my god. And this is all server-sided. This is all completely FE. This is all respect and filtering. Oh, look at that. As you can see, we're still going. Because, if you remember in the code, we did a find first child check. And if this statement is true, we are going to run the code. But if we can't find the next stage, don't error the script, just do nothing, and just wait until we get to a checkpoint. Now, one downside for this part is the teleporters, but we can always fix that too by simply making us go through the teleporter if we do get to the end. You could do that, or you could simply just teleport up. But I'm gonna show you how to do the teleporter one as well. So to do this, we're gonna get our teleporters. So because we keep getting stopped every time, but we're too lazy to go up every time. So we're gonna fix that. So we're gonna find teleporter. If I remember what it's called. If I remember, oh yeah, let me just use that. You see, yeah, I remember now. Cause you see, when you're coding for so long, you sometimes forget what you're doing, which is why you give yourself time to think. Get full name. Task. No, I'll just do wait 2 seconds. Let's put my mouse there. Let's scroll down. Workspace dot stage teleport dot enter. What the heck? Hey yo! Hey yo! Is this developer sus, guys? That's a bit sus. That's a little sus. Alright, I can't find. Where is this stage teleport thing? Stage teleporter. Stage. Teleporter. Where is it? Where is the teleporter? Oh my god, I'm just gonna have to do not tell me I want to search this. Fine, I'll search it. Stage. What? Is that what it was called? Stage teleporter enter. Okay, I'll just get one of them. I'm gonna click on one. I'm gonna scroll down till I see the blue thing. It's like hundreds of objects. I can't even. Oh my god, this is actually. Oh, here. What? Stage teleport. Stage teleport. Where is it? Stage. Why is stage teleport so annoying to find? Why is the stage teleport so frustrating to find? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna do this. Since I know this is a part, I know this is a part right here, and I'm assuming this is where I need to go. The enter thing must have the touch signal. Just judging from the logic, because I can't find it on Dex. Because Dex is really bad. The one I'm using at least. The newer version of Dex is... Did I say Dex? The newer version of Dex is much more nicer. And I recommend using the newer version if you're a future starter. But for me, that's not the case. I can't really use a new one on this exploit at least, because this exploit is not really the best at running newer stuff. So enough of that. What I'm gonna do is I am going to now make a simple function, and I'm gonna call this go through teleporter if available, and I'm gonna make this into a function. Now you might be wondering, okay, why is he making a function? Well, we're going to use the console to do our coding. Now this is probably a bit unusual, but you'll see. Before I, v in workspace, get children, do if the name v.name equals stage teleport. You see in the console, stage teleport. Then, okay, so now we got stage teleports. That's gonna be our array, our table, that have the name matching exactly this case sensitive. Now we're gonna try finding this child called enter. If I find a child called enter that is not nil, then what I'm going to do is I will do the closest no, what am I doing? I'll do this. Wait. Yeah, I need to do closest distance. Yeah. Closest, because because there can be multiple that I've already rendered in. So we gotta use this. Closest one equals nil. And then we gotta say the value dist equals I don't know how far it can really be. I'll just do like 10,000. Just to play it safe. 10,000. You could put this number lower. I recommend keeping it at 10,000. Because if you put this number to like 0, it can mess up the code a bit. Actually, not a bit. It can mess it up quite a lot. It'll just will not teleport you basically. So I recommend just leaving it as 10,000. That's recommended. But if you want to do infinite, you can do math.huge. That's entirely up to you. But I'll just do 10,000 because that always works for me. It's not like I'm going to be flying off or anything like that. I'm just going to be leaving the game like this. Now, we do our distance check. If v.enter.position in brackets subtract game.players.localPlayer character dot torso. I'm going to use torso because it's just a lot easier to define it. It's the same thing as the human report. And I'm going to say magnitude. If it is less than dist, which is a number, magnitude is basically a number, and it's calculated when the two positions are subtracting or adding on each other. Or it's basically it's just the total length of the vectors subtracted together or added. So the reason I put this in a bracket is to make this into one vector 3. And if you add a magnitude at the end, it turns into a number, which returns the length of it. It's a bit confusing, but I'll try to explain. So now this is our distance. We're going to say dist equals this. The distance is going to be overwritten. And at the end, what we can say is closest equals v dot enter. We could return the entire model. Actually, I'll just return this. Return the entire model of it. And now, after all the for loops are done, we can just set distance to nil, optimize memory leaks and stuff, and we can say if closest is not nil, then we can say game.players.localPlayer.character.humanoid root part.cframe equals closest.cframe, and that's about it here. Now, if we go ahead and try this, so if it's not able to find a stage, then we're going to say else, and we're going to put this function at the end. And now we're going to see what happens. If I go ahead and run this now, okay, I got an error. The error, what was that error I got? Expect end to close up from line 7 all the way to 35. Oh, did you forget to do? If next stage. Oh, is that because I've done? Wait, no, that doesn't make sense. I've messed up here. I messed up on here. Workspace get children do. How many? There's one end here. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why did I? What happened? Why is it erroring? Is it because I missed the end here? Oh! Attempt to call what? Attempt to compare number with nil. Okay, that's what I did wrong. I forgot the end. But it tried to compare number with nil. Why did it do that? Why is it comparing with nil? Why is it comparing with nil? What do you mean nil? I thought it was gonna check. Why did it do that? Oh my god. Why is Roblox so weird today? I don't know. Why is it saying nil? Attempt to what? Compare number with nil? Oh my god. Go through teleport if available. What line is this? Line 13. Gosh, this is actually so annoying. Is this not... Let me print the... Print... What's the class name? I can't... Oh, it's a part. Okay, it is a part. It does work. But it seems to error. Because apparently... It doesn't know what it's doing, apparently. Why is it doing that? Why does it want to do that? Why on earth? Why on earth? I'm trying to solve. Now you see, this is one that... Now, this is one issue that can happen when you're coding, where you don't know what the issue is. Why did it not? Now, obviously, it's gonna say number over nil. Now, this is one reason why people may not code, but that's okay, because I always have a solution. I'm gonna put this at the end, just to see what happens. Let me try using this line. Okay. New error. That's very, very weird. Oh my god, I had this in the code. What, are you serious? C-frame, okay, we got a new error. C-frame is not a valid member. Oh! Enter. There we go. And as you can see, I fixed it. There, I got it. Now you can see we are going crazy fast now. Oh my god. Yeah, we are going crazy fast. And in fact, just to prove it, our points, I'm not even changing the points, I'm just changing the number of clients I have. Oh, okay, that's not. You see, it does go back. And it's gonna keep going. Just like that. It will keep on going, just like that. Oh my god. Just look how fast it goes. I'm already almost at 5,000. Oh wow, we are there. Oh wow. I didn't have to do anything. I'm almost at 50%. I'm getting close to 50%. Very easy. Look how many badges I've got. Look at all these badges. Like every 10 stages I just get a badge and badge. That's already worth like hundreds of Robux. It's ridiculous how easily you can script something crazy within just a couple of minutes. Like you could spend hours and days on making a game, while for an exploiter or a scripter, they can spend a couple of minutes and they can just get through your whole game just as quick as that. It's ridiculous. I'm gonna open a performance. Pull my performance tab and see what's happening. Okay, I might be lagging a tiny bit. I don't know if that's with the code or if that's just with my exploit in general. But I don't think that's anything to do with my exploit. That might be, I think that might have to do with my exploit or something. Or it could be how fast I'm going with all the GUIs rendering and stuff. That is possible. But look at this. Look how fast we're going. Ridiculous. Look how many points we're already at. We're about to be the top player on the server. We're dominating the server. Look how much stuff I've said. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's crazy how fast it goes. It is crazy to see how fast it goes. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm just shredding through these stages. Like it's nothing. Oh, we're the top player on the server. Oh my god, look how easy this is. Is anyone saying anything in the chat? Nothing. Look how many points we have. We're gonna get an easy rebirth right here. How to get a rebirth? Nah, this does take a bit of time, depending on how fast your internet is. This just depends how fast your internet is now at this point. This comes down to the wire-free internet speed. That's what it comes down to. So the faster internet speed you have, oh, you can ramp this speed up even quicker. Oh, the full loop ended. Oh my god, look how we are now. We were like all the way down there before. We were like around, I think we were at like 10% or something. We were somewhere around like, we weren't even at 50%. We were below 50%. But now look at us, we're at 72%. We are past halfway. We're already at stage 2000. And this is fully replicated. Fully replicated. And just to prove that to you, I will rejoin the game afterwards, once I get to the very end. Just to show you that I did in fact reach that stage. No cuts, no jump cuts, no nothing. I'm just going to rejoin right in front of you and just show you. Simply. Now I'm going to put this number down. I'm going to try something to see what happens. We're going to see what happens if I do this. What's going to happen? 18 seconds on this. God. There's no way that works. That does not work. No way. What is happening? What is happening? My screen. Oh my god. I can't even see what's happening. This is making me dizzy. Okay, so it does limit down to the internet speed. Because I cannot actually go that fast. It's pretty much equal. Now the reason why my game is making these weird sounds is because of command-sided. Why is this going on forever? How long is this going on for? 18 seconds. That was not 18 seconds. That did not feel like 18 seconds to me. I think it was 18 seconds. Okay, whatever. Let me put the number back up to 0. This is usually a recommended number. So if I do this number should be a lot more promising. There you go. This is the type of, this is the lowest. Yeah, you can probably go. So 90 seconds. That's like a lot of time. It does go really fast. This does go pretty fast, in fact. Oh, we're at the next state. And, oh, what's happening? Oh, what is happening? Okay, we've made it to the end, as you can see. We've reached 100. Now, I'm gonna rejoin, because my game's been really weird. Wait, no, it stopped. Never mind, it has not. So I'm just gonna rejoin, just to show you guys that I have beat the game, in fact. No jump cuts, nothing. You can see, look, here's the time. There's the time right now. It is 4:03 in the afternoon. It's the 19th of November, 2024. I just said the date out loud to you guys. I'm moving my mouse around. I am going to rejoin the game. And my stage is going to be the exact same. As you can see, we are on stage 2805, which is indeed the last stage on this game. I have just beat the entire game right in front of you on this single recording. And in fact, I'm going to redo it again. You can see pre-stage 1. It is real, and I'm going to rejoin again just to prove it to you that this is real. In case if you still don't believe me, this is proof. Here you go, you can see pre-stage 1. That is literally real. That's a real pre-stage. And in fact, I'm going to run that script again. Let's do like, let's make this go on forever. There we go. And now we just let the game sit there. And while I let the game sit there, I could simply just tab out. I could tab out my game. Like I could leave my Roblox unfocused. I could leave Roblox unfocused right now and just talk to you guys. And I'm gonna see that. Let's see how long this takes. I'm gonna watch my own game. Oh my god, this is a bit satisfying with the sounds. Comment down below then. Should I make a satisfying script for Roblox? Oh, it's going quick. Oh my god. Here we go. Now this is the type of auto farming script you'd want to see. This is the type of auto farming you'd want to see. Good God. Oh my God. This is what the speed of AI is like. Have you all ever wondered what being an AI feels like? Here's what being an AI feels like. You go at this speed, whatever calculations you do, it's that quick. Instant. Oh my God. I'm gonna pass all these people again. Nope. Oh, what's happening? Now, if you do get stuck, which that can possibly happen, if this does ever happen, I think it's because I'm going a bit too quick. Oh, there you go. Sometimes if you do get stuck, you might want to reset or just delete the torso. This guy torso referencing. Now, if you want to make the reset button work, I suggest referencing the torso. So when you do reset, it doesn't keep looping you back to the teleport. But usually it's really unlikely. If you have good internet, it doesn't usually cause this. This doesn't usually be an issue. Look at this. If I zoom out, you can like see. You can kind of see. Oh my gosh, you get stuck on the teleporter. It's because my ping is pretty high as well, and plus my game is loading in so much stuff. So my game doesn't really have enough time to load up the next level. So I'm gonna move a bit. If I move around a little bit, there you go. If you jump around, there, it does go through. So you do have to sit there a little bit. Because I'm going really fast, that could be the issue. But if you put the wait time up a little bit, that would fix the issue. I think it would fix the issue. So if I just jump, if I jump again, just keep jumping. If I just keep jumping. There you go. I think if you jump and move. It's okay, so jumping and moving seems to fix it. But you can see we're getting close to 50% well already. We are going really, really quick, in fact we are going so quick that... What if I execute this again to see what happens? I wonder, does it go double the speed? I'm curious. Oh my God. Okay, it's not doing anything. I just went that quick. It's not doing anything. Reset. Yeah, it's not doing anything. You see it's not replicating, yeah. Look how satisfying this thing. Oh my God. Gosh. I'm gonna rejoin because I've messed up my game. But you can see though, that can be one of the downsides if you do this client-sided. Now the best way to usually avoid this is to simply not put the speed too fast, but just keep it on like a number that's manageable. It's like this number. This is usually manageable for a client. Your client can keep up with this. It doesn't go crazy or anything. Yeah, you see how it's able to give me points? The points is like replication number. I think what I can do is I can do replication lag. And I think that might still work. Let's see. I might stop with the lag and stuff. Because you see I'm still receiving. Right? Oh, I'm not receiving anymore. But I think I'm still sending requests. My ping might go really high. Let me see. If I turn this back off. Oh! That lagged. Yeah, it does go through. It does go through. But it does optimize your game a lot. So I'm gonna put this back on. It actually does optimize the game, in fact. It doesn't lag as much. So once I do load it back, it's gonna go boop. But you see it does go really fast. Yeah, I bet an expert can't beat that speed. I'd love to see an expert try to beat that. Flex the internet speed. Oh, what just happened? Did it just stop? If I turn it to 0. Boop. Wow. Oh, we had to load the map. Look how quick this goes though, it's ridiculous. Did it just stop sinking? Oh, come on. Reset, if I can. Reset. Okay. It stopped. Where is my... What the... I didn't even spawn at the right area, apparently. I don't know where I was meant to spawn. Okay, I'm gonna rejoin, because I don't know what's going on. I did something and it glitched out. So I think what I should do, sometimes it can really bug out. So I think what I should do instead is to make sure it doesn't bug out or anything. I think I will stick with the ordinary weight, because that's usually like the best way to go. That's usually the best way to go. I'll try this. I'll try the ordinary weight, because that can throttle. With this, the old weight can throttle. Just like how the connection speeds can throttle too. It behaves the same way. In a way, so I think that'll fix the issue. There you go. We're going a lot quicker again. I'll put it back to the quicker speed, because it was just taking too long. There, you can see, we're getting there. In fact, we're about to get our second free stage. Within like a couple of seconds. It's really fast. Super easy to do. And just like, where am I going? I'm going that way. This is what first person view looks like. This is what it looks like in first person. What does it look like to be in free cam? Oh my god. Where am I? I don't know. I go that quick, I can't even see my... Oh, there I am. Wait, what? Oh wait, I'm going the other way. Oh, it's heading the other way. There I am. There it goes. Let me just stand on like one of the platforms. There I go. You see how fast I just disappear? I disappear so quick. I disappear and then I disappear. And boom, we are at the end. Super quick. Now I'm gonna do this one last time just to make sure that this was not a fluke or anything. I'm gonna rebirth. If it... Okay, I don't think it was real. Wasn't it? You're kidding. I hate how it does it client-sided. Oh, what? I missed one stage, of course. Okay, let's see if we can do that. What the? Can we do the last stage legit? Come on. It's last stage legit. Last stage legit. Oh, I'm so good at this game. I just did one stage. I just did one stage and that was it. Oh my god. I'm so good at this game. For real. Let's go. Oh my god, just look how quick we go though, literally. Like I was just there, now I'm gonna pass this, and now I'm gonna... Gone. Gone in seconds. Checkpoint. my god. Oh! I was falling. Would you like to skip? How about no? I do not want to skip because I in fact purchased every single skip in the world by doing this. Now because I didn't rejoin, everything's already loaded in, so I don't really have to wait for the game to load anymore. Everything's been rendered in, so I don't really have to wait back anymore. Now it's possible the game will render it out. The game could render it out, but I don't think in this game that setting's been on. So it doesn't actually render anything out, and also why the heck is the game teleporting me? Oh my god, stop it. Stop teleporting me out like that. Come on. Why does the game do that? That's gotta be my code. Okay, I just need to fix the code then. Oh, that is so annoying. I'm just gonna reset. That'll make sure that I stop getting teleported there. If I can even respawn, that is. And it spawned me at the start. This is a very good game. Very good game. Very good game. So what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna try fixing the issue as to why it keeps teleporting me there. So I'm gonna say if dist. I'm gonna do another check. If dist is lower than like, if it's less than 4, then simply break and just don't do anything. Do not do anything. Don't keep teleporting to the same thing. That might have been the mistake why it keeps on trapping me in. I'm like being soft locked. This will just make sure I don't get soft locked or anything. There you go. Now I'm not soft locked anymore. It didn't soft lock me anymore. There you go. I fixed it. I just made it do that check, and now I'm not soft locked. Now I can actually grind on. I can probably just leave this on now. I can leave my PC alone now. Completely for real this time. There you go. Oh. It takes a bit, then after it loads. Just like that. This does go really quick though. I will give it that. Sometimes you can get stuck in a portal loop, but you can get out of it now. It does let you get out of it. Unlike before, where you could get trapped in it completely and be completely stuck. Oh, someone purchased a skip. Lucky for me, I have infinite skips. With the power of coding. Yeah, the power of Lua, the Roblox language. Let's see your free skip me that. And no, don't start rolling that. I'd love to see a free skip me that one. I mean, this game is pretty straightforward anyways. Like, the obby's on its own. Now, I know you guys are gonna say, oh, but you're using exploits, so how would... Yeah, right. Says the one that's got exploits. That's what they're all gonna say. They're all gonna say that because of exploits. But I'm telling you right now, this obby is actually straightforward. Like, I can do obbies much harder than this. Legit. Hear that out. Hear that one out. I could do a wall jump. I could jump around walls. I could do all that sort of stuff. Now, just imagine me doing the standard, like, basic obby, which is this, really. But it's just really long. So, yeah. If any commenters try to say that I am trash at playing obbies, well, you'd be right in a way. I am trash at obbies, but I'm not that trash that you think I'm trash. Oh my, and also, oh my god, that is satisfying. Because I am actually not trash. I'll say that right now. I could probably beat you in an obby right now. Like, you come on this obby, I will overtake you and I'm just gonna shoot past you without even any explosive ammo. We're going on normal obby, no obby charts because I am not the best at those. I'm not really good at those. Well, I can get pretty far on them, but I'll probably die a lot on it, so... Well, that's because you guys try hard, and I don't try hard, so... I'm being honest. I am not the best at obby charts, to be honest, but I can make a script on it though, where it does all the levels for me. And oh my god, we are literally almost there. We are almost there. We are so good at this game. The sounds are so satisfying. Oh my god. It almost sounds like Minecraft blocks that you pick up. It almost sounds like it. I wish I could change the sound. Change that sound? Oh my god, that was so cool. Oh, this is it. This is it. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Let's see. Is it actually stage 100 this time? The answer is... yes, it is. And what the... what just happened? And yeah, that is pretty much the point. We're gonna leave this game. We had 3 prestiges and we're on level 3. Yeah, we basically robbed this game out really good. Well, not robbed it. We didn't rob anything. We've never robbed anything. I could really like buy every single pet, I think. I think I could buy every pet at this point. Oh yeah, I could buy the top pet in this game. Easy. Free. I literally got the most expensive pet in the game. Stick backpack. Look at that. I don't know if this is server-sided, but I got myself all of these pets for free. Processing your purchase. Please wait. What do you mean processing your purchase? I have enough points. Let me purchase, man. Come on, man. Oh my god, this GUI glitched out. Are you kidding me right now? Can I reset this GUI off? Can I? Ha! I can reset the GUI off. Wait, did this scam me? No way it scammed me. Okay, I was about to say, did it actually? I thought I was gonna be surprised. Purchase. Why can't I purchase this? Okay, this game is actually broken. Literally. Wow. Good game! You can't even purchase every pet in the game. That's a good game. Wow. That is a really, really good game. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video of me showing you how to make a script that lets you speedrun through an obby like a pro. Now this does work on most of the obbies, like these ones too. It will work on this, it will work on this. It'll pretty much work on like almost every obby. In fact, I think it might work on every obby actually, because that's what every obby does. They name the stages and numbers. They don't really put letters in front of it or anything. It's just so easy to reference. So this probably might work on every single obby game. Just make sure you have the correct path to the folder or model to where all the stages are, and then that's it. You're set, really. And as for the teleporters, the teleporter part, if it doesn't have a teleporter, you can just simply do the teleporter code. Otherwise, this is your script right here. Just simply, if you can't find a teleporter, you can just simply delete this part. Just delete it, and delete the function that came with it. And then yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm going to end this video now. Peace out guys, bye.